Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Would you like to know how easy it is to make these delicious Swedish meatballs and authentic Swedish gravy on a bed of egg noodles? Well, stand by and I'm going to show you how easy this meal is to prepare. Okay, now to make the Swedish meatball gravy, or some might call it a sauce. So it starts with a quarter cup of butter, and we're just going to let that melt totally, and then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour, just all-purpose flour, and this is going to be our roux. So let's slowly add that in, and I'm going to turn down the heat until that thickens up. And instead of butter, you could always use margarine as well if you're conscious about your health and you don't like butter, but whatever, the choice is yours. So let's add this so it's nice and thick, and then to that we're going to add in a can of beef broth, which is 284 ml, and we're going to add that in real slow. To this, I'm not going to add any salt or pepper. I think there's enough spices in the meatball, so I'm going to keep it like that. So, and if this isn't enough liquid, then I might add some additional water. That's it, that's all. So now you could use a whisk to really mix this in, but this big spoon seems to be doing a good enough job. So you don't want anything like this. That's a bit too thick. So let's get this mixed in, and then to that we're going to add a 1/3 cup of sour cream. Now you could also use cooking cream, but I prefer sour cream, and all the recipes, if you check online, everybody seems to be having their own version. And so that's nice light brown tint to it, and that's exactly what I want. So the meatballs are done, and I'm just going to let that sit in the pot, and I am going to prepare some beautiful, lovely egg noodles. And the choice is yours. Egg noodles, you could do mashed potatoes. I really like this brand, and I like broad, large egg noodles. And there you have it, my friends. My version of Swedish meatballs with a beautiful thick gravy on a bed of egg noodles. So I cooked 3 cups of the egg noodles, and I got a pot full. So that is going to last me for a couple of days, and I ended up making 14 total for eating tonight. 19 are in the freezer, and they'll become a future meal. So these things, they freeze up really well, and all you got to do is thaw it out overnight in your fridge, and then you got an instant meal. And the only thing you'll have to make is the gravy. So bon appetit. Thank you for dropping by my channel once again. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And till the next one, take care, everybody.